Hello everybody, welcome to lesson 20 of learning HTML and CSS. In this lesson we'll be looking at font weight, font style and the font shorthand in CSS. In front of me I have a standard HTML document with a heading and a paragraph. The paragraph also contains some text in bold and italics. That's what it looks like in the web browser. There's the bold text, italics text. The heading is of course already in bold by default. So let's go to the CSS and create some rules. To create a bold style sheet, we say font dash weight colon bold. Font weight could also have a value of normal if you want to take the bold away. In this case, I'm adding bold to the paragraph. Let's just for fun remove the bold from the heading. Font weight colon normal. So you can see the heading is now normal. To make something italics in CSS, we say font dash style colon italic. There you can see the headings in italic. And then we also have a shorthand for working with fonts, which is really quite nice. So far in CSS we've learnt about font weight, font style, font size, and font family. All four of these can be replaced with a single shorthand. So we would say font colon and then a space separated list of these four items. The trick though is to get them in the correct order. Now as a bare minimum we need to specify the size and then the family. So these are compulsory. So let's say I said 14 pixels Verdana. That would be a bare minimum for the shorthand. Okay, let's just try that out so long. So you'll see the paragraph is Verdana and it's size 14 pixels. Now let's say I wanted to make the entire paragraph bold. So I can then add that shorthand in front of the size. And the whole thing is now in bold. And then if I want italic, that gets added right at the beginning. So the order is very important. Should first be the style, then the weight, then the size, then the family. Remember, the only compulsory items are the size and the family. You can leave anything out. So I could, for example, leave out bold and just have italic, or I could leave out italic and just have bold. Most of the time, however, you would just specify the size and the family. So that's now italic, bold, size 14, Verdana. And that ends our lesson in working with font weight, font style, and the font shorthand.